Good morning, guys. We are here at Apple Park for WWDC 2024. I'm so excited, a little out of breath because I'm so pumped. Even though I've been here a bunch of times, it never gets old. I'm always blown away. It feels like Christmas for me every time I'm here. I love it. A little bit early, which is perfect, so I'm gonna grab something to eat. It's so cool being here, oh my gosh. I'm headed to go see the Apple Rainbow. I love this place. It feels like I'm at Disneyland, but with all my favorite tech things. Today's gonna be amazing. I'm already having so much fun. I'm meeting so many creators from around the world and seeing so many friends I've made at Apple Park in the past few years, so it's such a cool day. So it is currently 9 a.m. I have an hour till it starts. I went on a little detour. Instead of getting food, I came to take photos here, but let's actually get a little bit to eat. I don't know what this is because it's green, but I think it's, now I taste it, matcha. This is really good. Apple Park always has really yummy food. I'm already excited to drink one of their apple cappuccinos later. You know, the ones with the little Apple logo on top? I always get it when I'm here. And these croissants are perfectly crispy. This is how you get coffee at Apple Park. We did it! There were so many amazing updates featured at the event, like the ability to customize your iPhone home screen to different colors and layouts. There are huge improvements to iMessage, like being able to schedule text for later and new text effects. And of course, Apple Intelligence. Siri is going to be more intelligent than ever, and Apple even integrated ChatGPT into Siri. We're going to be able to create custom emojis called Genmojis and a ton of new AI features and capabilities I'm so excited about. The keynote just ended and we're headed up to lunch. I have so many thoughts. I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna sit down somewhere quiet so we can chat. I feel like I'm in a spaceship every time I'm here. Look at our view. Wow. All the international media are having lunch together here upstairs. Let's see what we got to eat. Oh, yummy. Okay, cookies for dessert. Definitely some of this focaccia. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Currently headed to Steve Jobs Theater. I'm excited. We're gonna get to play around with iOS 18. You guys know I love customization, so this update is huge for me, and I know there's gonna be tons of videos coming out as soon as I have my hands on it. I love their energy. I'm gonna become friends with them. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. We made it back to Steve Jobs Theater. Love it here. We're headed in.
Welcome. Hello, welcome.
Thank you. So we walked all the way here. Now we're at Steve Jobs Theater. There's some snacks and drinks, and we're gonna go down at 1:30. It's currently 12:45, so I have some time to sit here, do some work on my laptop, and then we get to go see the new iOS. I'm super excited about the customization, of course, and also to see how you can hide apps, how you can change the colors on them. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look in dark mode. So I'm currently editing and writing a few emails. I'm trying to get some work done before we go downstairs and film. I'm here with my friends, Julia and 0.5 Queen. Hey! What are you guys most pumped about? What's the new advancement you love?
I'm excited about iOS 18, how you can change the colors of the apps. We'll see if it compares to changing the app covers, but I'm excited.
I'm really excited for Genmoji. I think it's going to be a game changer, and I know so many people are going to be using it, so I'm so excited to see it.
We need to create a group chat so we can just Genmoji each other all the time. Headed down to Steve Jobs Theater with my friends. Woo! So we just found out we're not allowed to film in this session, but I'll let you guys know what we did when it's done.
When we think about what it means for intelligence to be really useful, it has to be centered on you. AI's role is not to replace our users, but to empower them.
Siri is no longer just a voice assistant, it's really a sort of device assistant.
Taking some behind the scenes. We just finished inside Steve Jobs Theater. It was really nice to hear all about AI and what Apple is doing with that. So that was a cool chat. And now I'm headed back to the hotel. I'm gonna film and probably get another coffee. See me rolling. They hate it. trying to soak up the Wi-Fi. I got my Panera bread. Yay! So I just got back to my hotel. I got my laptop here, answering some emails, getting some work done, but I'm so hungry, so I just ordered Panera bread on Uber Eats. Guys, I love Panera. I actually used to work there when I was in high school, so I know the best orders and how to customize them, so I'm so pumped to eat. The best thing to get is the bacon turkey bravo, and then this green goddess salad with frizzled onions, although I think they forgot frizzled onions, but it's okay. And then a little apple because I'm trying to be healthy. I'm all comfy right now in my pajama as I eat my Panera. I was just FaceTiming my mom and my sister. I'm thinking of getting my nieces something from Apple Park Visitor Center because they have little baby clothes and super cute stuff for little kids. So hopefully if I have some time this week, I'll go stop off there to check it out and grab something for them. After I eat, I'm gonna film a YouTube video showcasing all the new stuff from WW. So that's probably already on my channel by the time you watch this, so I'll link it above. It's currently 9 p.m. I just got back from Apple Park. I was in a meeting where we got to see iOS 18 in action. It was actually super cool seeing everything in real life. I feel like when you get to see it, you understand it more and you see how advanced the new developments are. I didn't get a chance to tell you guys what my favorite features of the day are, so let's do a little quick overview. I filmed a video earlier. You can click it here if you want to watch about all of the announcements, but here are my favorite. Number one being iOS 18 customization. You guys know how much I love customization on my iPhone and iPad specifically, and I love that iOS 18 allows us to change the color of the icons. Finally, we can do it natively on the iPhone without using any third-party apps. I'm a dark mode user through and through, so I really love how now dark mode, the icons actually turn black and are dark, and you're able to move your app icons wherever you want on your home screen. They don't have to be perfectly lined up anymore. One feature I posted that everyone's freaking out about is that you can now hide an app. The comments on my TikTok and Instagram reel about that feature are really hilarious, but yeah, that's a new feature that stirred a lot of conversation. And now with iMessage, I'm really happy that we can actually schedule send iMessages for later. They showed in the presentation you can use it to like schedule send a happy birthday so you don't forget that person's birthday. I always set myself reminders to text people something the next day, so I'm glad now we can actually just do that straight on iMessage. You can also bold and italicize text in text messages. I really think I'm gonna do this all the time. If I'm gonna say like, hey, cut to myself at 8, don't be late, underline, or something like that, just to add some spiciness to my text messages. Another feature I thought was cool is how on your AirPods you can now go like this, like nod your head yes to answer a call or no to decline a call. I feel like that's gonna be really funny in real life to do that in a crowded setting. People might think you're like nodding at them, but you know what, in private it's actually really useful. You can just go like this to decline a call or yes. I don't know, it's cool. Another TikTok and Instagram video I posted that went viral is that there's the calculator app on iPad, but not only that, you can write with your Apple Pencil a math equation and your iPad will tell you the answer in your own handwriting. It's so cool. All the comments were saying like, where was this when I was in school? And that was my first thought too. I also write all my notes on my iPad, but my handwriting gets messy when I'm writing really fast, obviously. So now there's actually Smart Script feature where it cleans up your handwriting, makes it more straight and like concise and looks way better. And I feel like that's really cool because it's still your handwriting, but just elevated. And of course, Apple announced Apple Intelligence AI, which we're all super excited about. You can use it to summarize an email, make your tone of voice when you're writing something sound more professional. ChatGPT is integrated into Siri now, which is really awesome because if you have photos or documents that you want summarized or want to ask questions about, it's going to be able to know it and give you really cool advice. Lastly, let's talk about Genmoji. These are custom emojis that you can create by putting in keywords and literally spews out different emoji combinations. There are endless opportunities. I feel like it's gonna be awesome sending them to my friends. I'm definitely gonna be doing that as soon as I get the beta. I'm also excited to hear what you guys are thinking about the new updates and what you're excited to test out. Comment down below and let me know. Good morning, guys. It is 6:30 a.m. and I'm here at Apple Park. I have a early morning briefing at 7 a.m. so I'm getting prepared for that. I have some really exciting things happening today. I'll let you guys in on the scoop. So I just finished a meeting about the new iOS 18 and iPad OS, and guys, seeing it in real life is honestly mind-blowing. The customization features are things I've been waiting for Apple to integrate for years now. I'm so excited about picking different colors for all my app icons and doing it with ease. This just makes it so much quicker and easier when it's natively embedded into your iPhone. I also got to test out the math notes. I'm shocked. Obviously it does basic calculations. It was incredible using math notes for complex equations and graphs. This was so crazy, and I also think that you're able to customize so much with it and see how different things impact your graph, and that's going to help people learn more about the graphs that they're making. It's really going to change the way we learn, and I'm super excited about it. All right, shall we do some shopping? I think so. How adorable are these? So cute. I'm thinking of getting this shirt. It looks really cool, simplistic aesthetic. I also really like this one. I got the goods. I'm actually headed now to interview Craig. This is such a cool opportunity to ask some questions I know you guys are wondering. So I'm gonna insert that here so you guys can watch that video. It's definitely gonna be uploaded first. So click here to check that out. Let's go inside. The studio looks amazing. I'm so excited.
It's showtime.
I'm Kat.
Hi, Kat.
How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
Wonderful, busy day, but we love it. I just got back to my hotel room. I've had the busiest day. It was so cool interviewing Craig. He's so nice and easy to talk to, so made that whole experience so great. It was really awesome hearing from him what he thought the best parts of the event were, and it was awesome hearing that his family members were excited about different AI features as well. The studio setup was so cool, and I'm really grateful for that opportunity. Now I'm back in my hotel room. I think I'm going to get cozy a little bit and do some editing. I also want to show you guys what I got in this WWDC bag. I have so much merch from all the times I've come to Apple Park, but this year was a little bit different. Of course, we got the WW pins, and I'm always excited about these. I have a whole collection. I think this year is my favorite. Look at these. Come on, we have the Apple Park and it actually turns. We have this little Mac and it says 40 years because it was their 40th anniversary this year. The future equals date dot now. This little guy, that is cool. The Vision Pros are awesome. You see how it like kind of goes up a bit? I don't know, it's so cool. And then we have this Apple logo, giving nostalgia, giving such a cool vibe. So I decided to get the Apple logo t-shirt at the store today. You guys know that. I also got a WWDC water bottle, and I did not know what this was until I unboxed it. Let me show you guys. We usually get a WWDC hat, but this is a little different, and I feel like I gotta go on a little trip so I can use this. Comment down below what you think this is before I open it. Is it a WWDC flag? No, it is a, oh, it's upside down. I'm pretty sure this is a picnic blanket. It's pretty big. I'm not gonna lie, my whole family can chill in this blanket, but it's cool. I love it. You know what? Let's unbox this right now. I have my other camera set up here so I can film an unboxing for TikTok and Instagram. I'm excited to see what it looks like on. Let's get cozy. Alright, I filmed a little ASMR unboxing of this. I love it. It's so cute and it matches this Apple pin. So cute. I had such an amazing time at WWDC. It's always so fun being at Apple Park, connecting with so many people and sharing the latest tips and tricks for you guys. So make sure to stay tuned because I have tons of new videos coming out and I can't wait to share with you my favorite customization features on iOS 18, of course. And I'm also testing out Vision OS 2 this week, so stay tuned for that video. As always, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!